The story of humanity is a story of great leaps. Out of Africa, across oceans, to the skies, and into space. Since Apollo 11's moonshot, we have been sending our machines ahead of us, to planets, comets, even interstellar space. But with current rocket propulsion technology, it would take tens or hundreds of millennia to reach a neighboring star system, Alpha Centauri. The stars, it seems, have set strict bounds on human destiny. Until now, an initiative called Breakthrough Starshot wants to explore another star system, using ultra-powerful laser beams and wafer-thin spaceships. The project's chief engineer says millions of dollars worth of work is moving along without any major snags. Starshot's founders and collaborators include the late Stephen Hawking, Harvard University astronomer, Volob, and Russian-American billionaire, Yuri Milner. The concept is based on more than 80 scientific studies about interstellar travel. Yuri Milner and other Silicon Valley investors have even paid $100 million to cover the first 10 years of research and development. Peter Kluper, the engineering director of the non-profit Breakthrough Foundation, said they had us go and study a whole range of different approaches of how would we send an object to another star, and we ended up deciding that the only credible way to do it today was building a large laser, probably in Chile. The project hopes to propel roughly 1,000 tiny Starship spacecraft toward Alpha Centauri, the second closest star system to Earth, at 20% of light speed, which is about 37,200 miles per second. Each chip would weigh 1 gram or less. Another destination under consideration is Proxima Centauri, which is even closer to Earth and may have a habitable planet. Each starship would accelerate to its insane cruising speed within minutes, thanks to the mighty laser blast beamed into space from Earth. But Kluper noted that a 100 gigawatt laser beamer would be powerful enough to ignite an entire city in minutes, if it were reflected off a mirror, in space, to back to Earth. Well, vaporizing cities is not the goal of Starshot. Of course, rather, if the plan works out, camera-wielding starships could send humanity the first close-up photos of Earth-size worlds by the 2060s. Kluper and others are not deluding themselves about Starshot's many hurdles. Even the project's own studies regularly make room for dead ends. Some of the internal research worry about the potentially untenable cost of building a laser facility, while other papers analyze the concept of a light sail. We had already made a video on light sail. You can check it in the I button at the top right corner of this video. But for now, the least is that it is the device that catches light and converts its energy into motion. Kluper said the sail is very thin, it's about 400 atoms thick, it weighs about 1 gram, and it's 5 meters in diameter. Some researchers question whether such a sail would fall apart when faced with the laser heat or the mind-boggling speed. There's also a risk that the sail could steer a starship wildly out of course. Nevertheless, Starshot engineers and scientists either see ways around all these concerns, such as accepting that a majority of spacecraft won't make it, or figure that future technological advancement could solve many of the problems within a couple of decades. So, that's all for this video.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.